It was crunchy and smooth. Then they brought us reduced sodium and sugar. Then along came organic. Now they bring us powdered. Powdered peanut butter? What the hell is it? Should you be ditching regular peanut butter for powdered? Let's find out with an MF Buster. Boom! After posting a few recipes up using powdered peanut butter, we've recently started to receive a lot of attention as to what the hell peanut butter is. Is regular peanut butter bad for us? Why have I started using powdered peanut butter? So in this video we're going to look at the difference between regular peanut butter and powdered peanut butter. So, what exactly is powdered peanut butter? Powdered peanut butter is simply peanuts that have been crushed under high pressure, thus reducing a lot of the oil and fat content, forming a powder-like substance known as powdered peanut butter. Powdered peanut butter is then added to a liquid to form a substance like peanut butter. Simple! So the biggest selling point and why powdered peanut butter has become so popular is basically the fat content. This particular brand, as you can see, states 70% reduction in fat. Others up at 80-85% reduced fat compared to regular peanut butter, and that's exactly what we're going to look at in this video. So let's have a look at regular peanut butter and powdered peanut butter, get the nutritional labels side by side, and let's see if the proof is in the pudding. So as you can see, per 100 grams, powdered peanut butter has significantly less fat as stated on the front of the label. Also, as a result, because fat's so dense in energy, calories are also massively reduced. With a huge reduction in fat content and calories in powdered peanut butter, surely it's now time to start ditching with regular peanut butter for this stuff. Because eating fat makes you fat, and calories are the descendant of the devil. Right? No, it's bloody not right. Eating fat does not directly equate to getting fat. Eating too many calories makes you fat. Calories in the sense of eating too much protein, eating too many carbohydrates, and eating too many fats makes you fat. The fats found in peanut butter are mainly polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. Reduced risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, are just some of the benefits of these type of good fats. More to the point, why have I started using powdered peanut butter? Simple. I love peanut butter. I'm working in a calorie deficit with the end goal of reducing body fat. AKA, I want to look shit hot in my Speedos come my summer holiday. Which peanut butter should you be using? Pretty damn simple. Whatever one suits you and your goals. If your goal is fat loss, like me, you might find that regular peanut butter just robs you of too many macros and you can't quite get other foods you enjoy. It's just not worth it. However, you're a peanut butter addict and you want to get your peanut butter fix. Powdered peanut butter, therefore, I'd highly recommend on a fat loss diet. If increasing muscle and strength is your goal, or you're one of them damn weirdos that just can't seem to hit your macro targets, I wish I had that problem, then peanut butter, regular peanut butter, is a good way to get a nice healthy boost in calories. If, however, you have no set goal in life, that's okay too. Eat whatever the hell you want. Also, it's worth mentioning, if you've got a peanut allergy, might be best you don't eat either or you might have yourself some problems. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! So to conclude, powdered peanut butter and regular peanut butter are both still safe in my cupboard. I'll not be ditching regular peanut butter, it has its time and place, but for now, this will be a staple of my fat loss regime. Thanks for watching, hope it helped.
See you later. Ooh.